Hello, good afternoon, students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Okay, fine. That's great. And see, as I gave a full view of my drawing file, because you will see the basic proportion. I will make it little more enlarged. Okay. Yes, I think now it's perfect. So see, today we will be learning our drawing on Mother's Day special. Okay, and for this we are going to use our file vertically. It means in standing position. Okay, so I think time is already, it's 12:14. Students are still joining. Initially, we need pencil and eraser. Okay, and we will be learning this beautiful artwork of on Mother's Day. Okay. Hopefully you will enjoy it, and we are going to make it very decorative and appealing using little craft in it. Okay. So tomorrow's class is going to be full of excitement because we will add some craft work in this artwork. Okay. So let's, I think, yes, it's 2:15. So without wasting time, we will start now. Okay. Chalo. So first of all, this is my center. Now be very much careful, because the basic steps, basic things which you'll be learning are very, very important. So say this is my center. Okay, this is a file. I will give full view. Full view will give you complete view, and afterwards, after taking the basic measurement, we will come on. This is my center, right? I'm going to make my circle here. Okay, I will be making my circle here. And you can see it is almost, okay, it is almost 6. I'm going to take it 3 and 3 fingers. It is 6 fingers. Okay. So 6 fingers wide. You can do the measurement 3 and 3. That is 6 and 3 and 3. That is 6. And just connect and draw a circle. You can take any object also for making this. I'm using A3 size. Okay. I'm using A3 size. But you can try it with A4 also, okay? I will be making a circle. Don't worry if it is not perfectly round, because this is just the basic of making face. And here we are going to show side face of mom. Nana, yes, I will start it again. I will start it again. This is a 6 finger wide circle. This is my center, right? This is my center. I just took a circle, and this is 6 finger wide, 6 fingers. Okay. 6 finger wide, 6 fingers, slightly big or small. It's not going to make a difference. And it should be down. Now see, students, normally when we make a side face, what we do, we just shrink the face. But don't forget, our face is like a ball. It's not like if you will show side face, so it will shrink. It is round, sphere. So from all direction, whether you are making side face or any other dimension, it is going to remain round only, like a ball. Can you see my video? Show your thumbs up. Is my video properly visible? Okay, because I'm getting messages that video is not showing. Okay, fine. So here you will make a circle. The first thing you will keep in mind, whether you are making side face, whether you are showing other dimension, your face is going to remain round because it is like a ball. Like ball. If you will see it from here, it will look round. From there, it will look round. So it always look rounded. Same with is our face. So always, whether you are making side face or any other face, you will make a circle first. Okay, is this clear? Show thumbs up. Is this instruction clear? Right. Now, after making this circle, I will cut it half. I will divide it in 4. Okay. And now I want to see, I cut it half. A circle, you can use an object also. But just to take rough lines, I took it like that. And now I will give you closer view, because this, it's very far now, so must be. Okay. Hansika, you please click on active speaker view. Okay, if you will click on active speaker view. So this is the normal circle. You can use a compass or any other object. Okay, it is normal CD size circle. Okay, we just took measurement of 3 fingers here, 3 fingers here. Now from here, you will be making a straight line. From here, the lines will come straight down. Okay, from here, where we cut it half. From this point, your lines will come straight down. Yes, I will be showing it again. This is my file. Okay, and I just draw a circle. This is the center. I just take this side. Using 6 finger distance, I just draw a circle. 6 finger is the diameter. I cut it vertically and horizontally, and this horizontal line, the center point, from here I will make a straight line. We are learning a side face. Okay, we are learning a side face. How to draw a side face. Okay, what we did, we draw a circle, we cut it half vertically and horizontally, and from this horizontal line I draw a straight line coming down. Is my voice clearly audible? Please show your thumbs up, because am I audible clearly? Huh? Am I reaching to you clearly? Okay, so see, those who are not able to listen, they must be having some internet problem. You please check better. Okay, so now see here, from here I will come straight down and I will go this way, curved, straight and curved. Okay, this way is almost straight and curved. It's not exactly curved, it's almost straight and then curved. Okay, this way is I will make the basic shape of my side face. Come on, do this. It's okay if your circle is slightly oval, because mine is also not exactly down. As we draw it freehand, that's okay, because this is just a face and we are going to erase these all lines. This complete circle we will erase, but this is the correct method of making side face. Okay, whenever you make side face, so normally what we do, we just shrink the face. We should not do, because again I'm repeating, our face is like a ball, like a sphere. And sphere from any direction, if you will see, it will look round. Same with our face. Whether you are making side face or whether you are showing face in other dimension, with other dimension, you will start with a circle. Okay, don't forget this. If you want any object for making circle, yes, you can try. Now I will extend this line. I will extend this line to the top. Okay, here. So what happened? I just use this line, these lines this way. What I did here, I just show this chin part, and here I went straight. We are learning a side face because we are going to show a face of mom. Okay, so at the place of making it freehand, we are learning it technically how to draw, and by learning face study. So that whenever you want to make, not only this drawing, but any other drawing, if you want to show a side face, you will get clear idea that this is the method of making side face. Okay. Now let's take measurement. What is the measurement? 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, and 2 almost. You know? So slightly more than 2. If I divide it in equal parts, slightly more than 2 and slightly more than 2. Correct. Okay, so I divide my face in 3 equal parts. And it is almost slightly more than 2. Everywhere slightly more than 2 I took. Okay. You can count in centimeters also. Just count and then divide it by 3 and do the measurement. These all 3 blocks should be of equal size. Okay. So for making a side face, what we did, we draw a circle. We cut it half vertically, horizontally. From center point, we draw a standing line. And where the circle finished, from there we gave a curve to show a chin. We extend the line straight upwards, join to the top point of the circle. And then the standing line we divide in 3 equal parts. Show me your work, all of you. Whatever I'm explaining, is this much clear? Show your thumbs up first. Are you getting what I'm explaining? Thumbs up. Many of you are not showing thumbs up. You are not getting? Huh? Hopefully it is clear. And why I'm teaching all this? Although I could have started with freestyle also, but I want you to learn. Whenever you want to make any side face, so the clear view, the clear method should be with you. Very good. Perfect. Now nose. See this top block is forehead and eyebrows. This middle block is nose and ears. Okay. And this lower block is chin and lips. Okay. So let's start with the middle block. For middle block, make this line little big, coming out, not very much, small part of line, let it come out. I will be telling you about recording also, Harshita. First, let's complete this, okay? To see the small line is coming out, I'm making a nose. And from here, okay? Here, just very gently show a curve. Okay, very gently. This is looking like reverse 7. I will be giving it a curve. I will not make it very sharp. It is looking like 7. And don't make it very long. Otherwise, the softness of features will disappear. So this is the middle block, and this is exactly the size of nose. And here your ears will come exactly as big as your nose is ears. Okay, exactly the middle stripe. The middle stripe contains ears, nose, and eyes. Okay? Yes. Done? Don't forget that your nose should not be very big. Otherwise, the softness of face will disappear. Okay? Now let's complete forehead. For showing forehead, simply give this kind of curve. A soft curve is slightly round. Okay? We can change it afterwards also. It is almost curved. Okay? And after this, nose is, can you see my video now? Please show a thumbs up. Okay. And now, I will give little bigger view because now the most important. Okay, now here, take 1 finger distance from nose almost. And almost half of this. Okay, let's do one thing now. Erase the whole circle which is creating problem. Okay, because now the basic shape is almost ready. Okay, the basic shape is ready. So let's erase this whole circle, which help us making our drawing technically perfect. Okay, technically perfect. This is the forehead. And this is almost the center line going upwards. Okay, and after this, I will be making 3. Okay, the lines are going slightly upwards as you want to show that we are going to show the mom with love giving a kiss on the forehead of newly born baby. Okay, this is a shape 3. Now, if you know other method of making or other style of features, yes, you can try. Why not? I simply draw this kind of curve, erase the straight line, and you can here give a small curve to chin. Okay. So very simple way of making face is done. Okay. This is technically perfect face. Okay. After this, I will be showing lips again. This is a line I just draw, take a middle point of the line. I draw a curved line going upwards. Then I draw a shape of V, and then with curved line, it's looking like a heart shape. If you will observe, the lips are looking like a heart shape. Okay. And eyes. Now here the eyes will come because this is the middle stripe now. I will be showing eyes. For showing eyes, a very gently sloping line. Very gently. Eyes closed. And show eyelashes. Just show this kind of triangular shape to show eyelashes. Okay. And very gentle eyebrow. Don't give a deep curve. It will make your face looking cunning. Okay. Very gentle closed eyes. Eyes are closed. Okay. Closed eyes with dense eyelashes. Beta, as you joined just now, so you missed a very important technical part. So I will suggest you do it afterwards with help of recording, because so many things were there while learning this. Okay, so this is the face of mom. Okay, this ways we just learn the side face. Absolutely straight. For eyelashes, I just draw gently sloping line. Then one more line coming, I will show lines coming down. And this ways I will connect. Okay, and this basic line I will keep it dark. And this is the standing line, slightly curved to show eyes closed, and a very gentle curve for eyebrows. Eyebrows is just a C. Okay, but don't make it very curved like this. No, gentle curve. Okay. Now face is ready. This is the way of making side face. Whenever you want to. See, for showing lips, I took the center, then draw a line which is going upwards, draw a V shape and connect. It's looking like a heart shape. It's looking like a heart shape. Eyes, yes, I'm showing eyes again. I will be showing eyes here on this rough paper. See, I will be taking a clean paper. Yes, for showing eyes, show a line going downwards. Okay, this ways. And from here, you will be showing. Okay, this ways you will connect. It will be connected. It will be connected like this. So one line is this and one is this line which is connected. Okay, and then a straight line. This is the way of making eyebrows. Now let's come on baby. Okay, baby's face. I want to check the face. Please lift up your work. Show me. All of you. For showing lips, you will be showing V first and then just show curved line. Start with the center line first. Okay. I'm showing how to show lips once again. Okay, wonderful. Wonderful effort. See, I'm showing how to show lips again. See, suppose this is your nose and this is bottom line. So this is the center point. Draw a line. And after this, you just draw a V, shape of V. Okay, and then connect. Then connect. Okay, and erase the lines. This is the method of making lips. Hopefully it is clear. Huh? Done? Show thumbs up. Am I clearly audible? Please show your thumbs up. So students, those who are sending message that I'm not clearly audible, please check your internet. Okay, now the baby. Okay, so before that, just complete neck. For making neck, just come here and 2 fingers. Take 2 fingers distance and make a long neck. Come on. Make a long neck, 2 fingers distance. It is 2 fingers distance. And simply a line which is almost straight. Okay. Almost straight. Almost, it means slightly curved. And till chin part. Till chin part, it will come out. Straight line, chin. Okay. Where till chin, it will come out. Down. Come on, show this face. Neck line. Chin, till chin, it will come out. It will go down. Yes, Mishti, you will. Okay. Now, ears, see, ears I just showed that how to draw. It is going to be hidden. Where we cross now, this is simply a C for cat. It is a simply C for cat in slanting position. Okay. Now let's start with the baby. To take a line from here, take a point here near chin. Take a point here near chin. All of you. First decide the points. Point here. Now be very attentive and stop messaging. Okay. Every doubt I will clear afterwards. I want complete focus on drawing now. Stop messaging. Okay. It keeps diverting you. Now, or whatever you want to ask, I will tell in the end. Okay. Eyebrow is simple C. Okay. For lips, I just showed just now. Okay. Now see here, I draw, this is 2 fingers distance and I draw the line for neck. And then I just came out sleeping lines and it is almost the chin. I will be white and now I want to make baby. So take a point near chin. Near chin. And one you show near nose. Here, almost on the center of nose. Come on. Center of nose. Okay, I will decide that from where my baby's lines will go. Okay. And almost 3 fingers. Okay, almost 3 fingers wide. I will not make it very small. I will be making a baby going, see, now all of you see the face is going close to this shoulder line. It will go round from here. And this ways you will be making a shape. See now, all of you see this face is very close to this shoulder line. Okay, so this is here from this nose and just draw a oval shape. It is very close to the shoulder line, okay? Make sure it should be very close to your shoulder line. Okay, and this is the, what is the length of this baby? 3 and 3, 6. 6 fingers. The length is 6 fingers and width is almost 5 fingers. 6 fingers and 5 fingers. This is 5 fingers. Okay, the wide, it is 5 fingers wide and 6 fingers length. I am showing again, for showing eyes, you just show a slanting line. Okay. And then make one more slanting line and connect from this corner. And then draw a straight line. Okay, this is the method. And this will be filled blank. Okay, this is the method. I took a point near chin. I took a point on nose. This is 5 fingers wide and 6 fingers long. Okay, this is just, it can be slightly more or less big or small, but not very small and tiny. I took a point here on chin. I took a point on nose, and I draw a circle using these 2 points. Take a point here. Take a point here. Eyes and eyes I will be showing in the end again. Let's focus on making baby. From here, I will be making S, right? S. S for sun. Again S. Okay. And now I will be writing S. See my lines. Now all of you please carefully see the line. This line is coming straight down and then S. Okay. Down and S. Come on. And here you show the ear line. Ears. Yes, I will be showing it again. I took a point on nose. I took a point on chin and I just connect with a circle. I took a point on side, draws S, connect S again. And from here, this is again S and C to show ears. And here I will be showing baby with closed eyes, tiny eyebrows. I will be using letter C to show eyes. Yes, I will be showing baby again. What I did, I took a point on chin. I took a point on nose. Okay. Now using this point of nose, I started from here and I completed here. Make sure the space should not be very far from this shoulder line. It is very close. Okay. Because the position of baby, which we want to show, if your baby will be very far, that the position, that loving flow of the drawing will disappear. Okay, this is a side point. Okay. And S, C, S, C. I will be giving complete list of material. Please, you all focus on drawing now. And then I will be giving answer of everything. Okay. Like eyes. You want me to repeat now? In the end, I will repeat eyes also. Right now, you stop that and start with the baby. Small, tiny nose. Show a small C to show nose. Okay, don't make your shapes very deep. Otherwise, that soft look will disappear. And a pleasant smile. Okay, these are almost 2 straight lines, a big and a small. And a Golu Molu cute baby is ready. Okay. Dhruv, you please click on active speaker view if you can't see my video. Okay. Rest all can see the video. Please show thumbs up again. You can see the video? Yes. Okay. Now after this, I will be showing from here the shoulder line of baby from here coming down. You will be showing it down, coming here, this way. Okay. I'm showing it how. This is almost straight and then coming from here, down. Okay. So here, these are both the shoulder line are very close. If you want to show a girl, you can show curly hair, and or you can show little more big hair. It's your choice. And I'm actually making a baby, almost newly born with small hair, and so here. Okay, after this, let's complete the hairstyle of mom. I want to check the work. Please show me baby also and erase that complete circle and all. Because now we are going to give a shape and hairstyle. Okay, till now, mom's side face is ready, but hairstyle is still left. Very good. Shabash. Wonderful work. Okay. Now, take a point here on side. I will be making hairstyle now. On side. And simply come here. Okay, again, I used a very flat C for making this. Okay, you can simply come this way. And from here, I will be showing one more line going back side. Everywhere these are S. This is flat, this is slightly deep. S is a very useful word, isn't it? Okay. And I will be going from here almost flat. I will come here. Okay. And I will erase this circle. I just went flat and came down. Okay, and the circle will be erased. Now what I'm doing now, the accessories, like we dress up, then we wear accessories now for this hair, eyelashes. These all are accessories of body. Okay, yes. I will just finish. And ear line I will hide with the cute flicks. S. Come on, draw S. Okay. So we will just cover it up. Again, S and curved line. Bal khati zulfe. Like that. Okay. It can be from high also. S. This is simply S. And just show curves like this of hairline. Okay, this kind of lines will add a softness and rhythm to your work. Sometimes the rhythmic lines add a rhythm and a flow to your work. Okay, so just to add that, I just want to show this kind of, in Hindi we call it bal khati zulfin. Yes. So see from here, this hairline is going. Okay. I'm going to show a big flower in hairline. Okay, big flower in hair. I will give a full view, which will clear. Okay, how it's going on. First, I want to show hands from here. Okay, from here. Just show hands. This is like J for jug. From here, okay, supporting, holding baby's face with love. It's almost J for jug. Okay. Holding face. Okay. Yes, I will give a little more closer. This circle is not a bun. This is actually flower. I'm going to put a flower as I'm going to show this mom as a Indian beauty. So a big flower, and from here, okay, now this complete setup, I will cover it up with a round shaped, a choti will come and get finished here. Okay, we will be showing and covering it up with a choti plates. Okay, as I told you that some rhythmic lines always add a rhythm and life to your work. And so from here, it is a shape of S. And see, I just cover up the hand and all. Okay. If you feel that from here, I want to show little more round shape, you can go for that also. Okay. And I will be showing, okay, just cover it up. I want to check it. All of you, please show how it is going. Yes. Very beautiful. Lovely. Great. Very good and great implementation. See, students, here, hairstyle, if you want to make bun or very stylish hairstyle, yes, you can try. As I am showing a Indian beauty, how the bindi can be left. Okay, and here we will start with the plates. So this ways, you will be making this kind of C shape, a plates, a lambi, lehrati, bal khati, choti. Okay, gradually you can. Okay, simply see, for it is looking like bracket. And a bracket shape in the end, we will finish this plate. Netik, if you join just now, beta, it's too late because we learn phase study using the bit right from the basics. Okay, so you can do one thing with help of recording. You can start. Okay, so see what when you want to make any shape, either in diagram. So first you decide a line that what is going to be the rhythm of your lines. Okay, the rhythm of your lines, and afterwards you just go for detailing. So I will erase this middle line because this was just to guide that from here your plates will go. Okay, this is the place where your plate will go. Come on. See students, where you get the link of class now, there you must have got the link of recording also. So after a few hours, at least 5 to 6 hours of the class, when you click on that link now, it will take you to one more link, and that is the link of recording. Okay, automatically it will take you to one more link, but you will have to wait for few hours to get that recording upgraded, because first we get recording and afterwards we upload. Okay. Okay, now this circle, let's make it a beautiful flower in here. Okay, you can make of any style. I will be making it very simple. Okay, very simple flower. And here a line, shoulder line with this kind of nape. You can just show U nape or C shape nape. Anyways, okay. You can show some flicks falling down from here also. Okay, mom's flicks falling down from here. Dishita, you please check or click on active speaker view because rest all can see my drawing. And see those who joined just now. So I think the method because we use so many things for making learning this phase study. So it is not easy to give a quick review. So better you just do it with the help of recording. Okay, I will suggest the same. And now, okay, now is the time for completing. If you want to make some bangles, you can try some bangles also to give it perfect Indian look. Okay, in a very simple way. And as we are going to put our flowers all around, and now we will be showing a frame with our, just show this kind of oval shape. Okay, to keep this particular portion clean, and we will be showing flowers all around to show that when you are with mom, life is like a floral garden, full of fragrance, full of beauty, full of happiness. Okay, so we will be doing some cutting and pasting here and there, not much. If you have this kind of artificial flowers, like in real flower arrangement, this kind of leaves normally come as dry arrangement. So if you have, you normally keep it safely, always keep it in a book. Okay, and let it to get dry, because these are very useful for making cards and all. And suppose I want to show something, so I can just simply paste this and few flowers, and it will add the beauty. Okay, this kind of artificial flower, see, this is again a dry flower arrangement. I just kept it from a real flower bouquet. So this kind of flowers are always helpful. You can just arrange it anywhere. So keep some colorful paper or colorful wedding cards ready. Okay, scissors, Fevicol, everything ready. And this is all about our today's art drawing, art of Mother's Day. Please show your work, all of you. See, if you don't have artificial arrangement, don't worry. You just get some colorful paper or plain paper. You can even color it. Okay, and if you don't have that, you can simply go for some floral design all around. Okay. Yes, please lift up your work and show me. Yes, I can see many different hairstyles, beautiful implementation, greatly done, wonderful, beautiful work. Okay, now see, after learning this using methods, you will never forget, and whenever you want to show a side face of any object, you will not find it difficult to draw. So it is very important to learn the basics. Okay, we are supposed to learn everything right from basics. So now note down the material required for tomorrow. Chalo, now make a list. We need plastic crayons and oil pastels, both color mediums. Okay, and watercolors also. You can use any watercolors. If you have cake colors, it's okay. If you have tube colors, poster colors, acrylic colors, any color medium watercolors you can use. Okay, and this is plastic crayons, oil pastels, all three color mediums. We need little cotton, scissors, Fevicol. Okay, some colored sheets. You can take this kind of discarded wedding cards or some sheets. If we will be applying, we will learn some florals. Otherwise, artificial flowers, if you have, you can use them also. And water container to get water. Okay, and earbuds. Yes, earbuds are also required. 2 or 3 earbuds. Yes, it's perfect. So tomorrow's class is going to be full of learning. Now, after giving outlines, what is the next we are supposed to do is outlines. Okay, this is your homework. You will take your black sketch pen and you will give outlines in this complete drawing with black sketch pen. This is your homework. Okay, in this complete artwork, you will be, now I will tell you the eyes, because continuously students are asking how to make eyes. See, for making eyes, you will be making simply a slanting line. See, this is a slanting line. Okay. Those who are not able to make eyes, I'm showing this. slanting line from here, draw one more slanting lines. Okay, it's looking like L but slanting, and from this corner to this corner join. Simple. And this is a straight line. Your eyes are done. This is the way of making eyes. Tomorrow's time is, I think, same. Time slot is same. You must have got the link. Hai na? So baby's hair and mom's hair, if you want to change hairstyle, yes, you can do that. If you don't have artificial flowers, it's okay. We will simply do this with watercolors. Even I will be teaching 1 or 2 flowers. Okay, so it's your choice if you want to decorate it completely with flowers. If you want to keep it plain, then it's okay. You can decorate the background in the way you are. Okay. So this was all about today's artwork. Your homework is sketch pen outline with black. So please, if you enjoy today's class, can I see a thumbs up with badi wali smile? Yes, badi wali smile. Huh? Badi smile I always loved. Yes, okay. Because smile is a curve which can make everything in your life straight. And every problem will become straight if this curve is on your face. Okay. Keep smiling, and hopefully this side face is very clear. You got the technique. How many of you got the method of making side face? Show thumbs up. Perfectly? Pakka? ठीक है. Lock कर दूं? Okay. So with lots of blessings, I will wind up. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye.